Our planet, a canvas painted with breathtaking beauty. From towering peaks to hidden valleys, a symphony of landscapes awaits. Join us on a journey to witness nature's artistry. Behold the mountains, ancient sentinels piercing the sky. Their snow-capped summits whisper tales of time. Feel the crisp air, the raw power of the earth beneath your feet. The ocean's embrace, a gentle lullaby on the shore. Turquoise waters meet golden sands in perfect harmony. Discover tranquility in the rhythm of the waves. Step into a world teeming with life, the rainforest's emerald heart. Sunlight filters through the canopy, illuminating a vibrant ecosystem. Listen to the chorus of the wild. Vast and surreal, deserts hold a stark beauty. Rolling dunes stretch towards the horizon, sculpted by wind and time. Witness the magic of resilience in a seemingly barren land. These wonders are a gift, a reminder of our planet's fragile beauty. Let us cherish and protect these landscapes for generations to come. Adventure awaits, go explore.